Izhmash Arms Factory is a leading small arms manufacturer in Russia. For 2 centuries, it has been supplying weapons for the Russian army. Nowadays, the arms factory is a part of open joint stock company concern Izhmash. Our motto is simple, reliable and effective weapon that is able to operate under the most adverse conditions. Having been the original producer of the worldwide known firearms, the factory has gained international popularity through its products. Mosin rifle, Kalashnikov assault rifle, Dragunov sniper rifle, Nikonov assault rifle. The world-famous AK-47 designer Mikhail Kalashnikov works at Izhmash. The whole life of Mikhail Kalashnikov is closely associated with Izhmash Arms Factory. On the basis of assault rifle, Mikhail Kalashnikov and his continuators have developed a range of rifled and smoothbore hunting guns and law enforcement weapons. The family of self-loading smoothbore 12-gauge shotguns, designated as Saiga 12, are the original makes of the Izhmash arms designers. The Saiga 12 shotgun are designed to round almost any 12-gauge ammunition, including Magnum cartridges with a case of 70, 73 or 76 mm, charged with shot, buckshot or slug. This feature makes it possible to use the weapons both for hunting, self-defense and police operations. The gun can also have various choke tube attached. The Saiga 12, Saiga 12S, Saiga 12K shotguns are similar in weight and size. The guns show full reliability under any conditions. Automatic reloading is effective due to the energy of the powder gases escaping from the barrel bore into the gas cylinder and the energy of the recoil spring. The barrel bore and cartridge chamber, as well as the gas piston and the cylinder, are chrome-plated to enhance the anti-corrosion resistance and ensure long life. The latest product of Izhmash is the shotgun Saiga 12S XP01 version 30. It considerably differs from the other makes of the Saiga 12 family in design. Its operating characteristics determine it as a multi-purpose gun. The core function of the Saiga 12S version 30 can be best described as a universal fighter. The main features of the Saiga 12S version 30 are as follows. The barrel is furnished with a slotted muzzle adapter, a flame absorber, which makes it possible to use ammunition for knocking out the door locks and hinges. Cartridge chamber is 76 mm long. The receiver cover is hinged to the receiver. The cover accommodates a Picatinny array to mount collimator sights or scopes. The iron sight comprises an AK-type sight leaf and a front sight located on the gas cylinder. The iron sight ensures confident hit of the target with shot, buckshot or slug. For the quick and effective aiming, it is possible to use an optical or collimator sight, laser target marker on tactical lights. The buttstock, handle, forend, handguard, magazine and magazine guide are made of impact-resistant glass-filled polyamide. The buttstock is left-folded and provided with a rubber butt plate. The shotgun can fire with the buttstock folded. The Saiga 12S version 30 is furnished with an ergonomic handle. The AK forend and the handguard make it convenient to hold the shotgun. The magazine guide speeds up magazine attachment and provides for a higher combat rate of fire. There are magazines that hold 4 or 8 cartridges. Fire control, safety lock is similar to that of the AK. and ensures quick delivery of fire. There are two fire control positions: safe and fire. The shotgun features an automatic bolt stop which can be activated or deactivated both in automatic and manual modes, with the magazine detached. The Saiga 12S XP01 version 30 is easy in assembly and service. The guns of the Saiga 12 family are regularly tested for longevity, heat, cold and impact resistance. The commercial production begins provided that the products meet all the requirements. The magazine can be charged with any 12-gauge ammunition, even 70, 73 and 76 mm long at the same time. The shotgun acts fine with all known types of 12-gauge cartridges. The Saiga 12S XP01 version 30 has no rivals in the whole world in terms of fast holding at the ready, combat rate of fire, handling convenience and balance. The Saiga 12S XP01 version 30 is accepted for services by the Russian Special Deployment Units.
Удар!